To explain the operation of form fill seal machine for course DJP40032 Packaging Workshop 3 Diploma Mechanical Engineering Packaging.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
As you can see, the top, bottom, and back seal of the packs. These are examples of packaging using vertical form fill seal machine. Now, see the main parts of the machine. The inlet chute is inlet port where the material such as powder is poured in the storage.
You're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride.
Hopper is a temporary storage to store the material before transfer to pack. Inside the hopper contains stirrer to make sure material consistently feed to the packs uniformly.
Your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Film holder is where packaging film roll is placed before feed to the bag former. There are two sensors to detect the presence of film and the marks of the film design. Sensor use the proximity types.
But I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Bag former to create packaging packs from film according to the size of bag former.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not.
Auger and filling pipe are located inside the bag former. These pipes used to transfer powder from hopper to packs. There are three different size off bag former.
Before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Vertical sealing to seal the pack vertically using heater. Make sure the temperature is set according to the type of materials. Horizontal sealing to seal the pack at the top and bottom horizontally using the heater. The temperature is set 130 degrees Celsius for this film. Touch screen panel to control and set the parameters before running the machine.
Even if it's difficult.
The packaging process has a few parameters. Output indicate the current pack's quantity has been completed. Feed speed indicate the speed of filling powder. Feed lap is numbers of lap auger revolving to adjust the filling weight. Bag length is length of packaging bag in millimeter. Speed mean the current actual operating speed. Film speed indicate the speed packaging film feed in bag former. To run the machine, first switch on the main switch.
Better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Next, set feed speed to 4. Thirdly, set the feed lap. This parameter will affect the weight to be filled in the pack. Set feed lap to 4, then set the bag length for packaging size. Bag length determine the powder weight fill in the pack. Now, we set bag length 100 millimeters and film speed to 5. When parameter all set, then run the machine by turning the switch to the right. Packaging film fed down to the bag former. The vertical heater sealed the back of the pack. Then powder fed into the pack. Then horizontal top is sealed and cut to finish. One cycle process is completed.
Better than I was before.